We've wrapped up the construction of our combination router table by applying a couple coats of a wipe-on finish.
Of course, a router table like this is an essential tool, and in order to make it an essential tool, you need to build it right. In order to see all those steps involved, you can check out some of the other episodes in the video edition.
Of course, the one thing you haven't seen is how to use the router table. So we're going to go through some of the features and how to make the best use of this router table.
For starters, the large table provides ample support for all kinds of workpieces. This is great for routing crisp profiles using bearing-guided bits like roundovers.
Bearing-guided bits are a great option when it comes to using a router table, but there are times I want to do basic joinery, and I'll use something as simple as an ordinary straight bit.
For that, you need a way to guide the workpiece, and this router table comes equipped with a solid hardwood fence, and it even has built-in dust collection on the back. Heavy-duty knobs allow you to lock the fence securely to the tabletop. A single-piece hardwood fence face allows you to make smooth, catch-free cuts.
Using a router table fence like this or a bearing-guided bit will cover most of the routing operations, but there's more going on with this combination router table than meets the eye.
That's right, the top on this router table is designed to flip upright, and you can lock it in position and use it for horizontal routing operations.
Of course, in this configuration, you need a way to guide the workpiece, and that's the job of this horizontal table. We're going to get that installed and show you how it works. With the adjustable table locked in place, creating raised panels is a breeze. Keep in mind you'll route from left to right in the horizontal configuration. Adding the optional mortising jig to the horizontal table makes it a simple matter to route quick and easy mortises accurately. The routing operations we've shown really highlight the versatility of this combination router table.
So whether you're using it in its standard configuration or like you see here for setup for horizontal routing, you're sure to find that this router table can be a great addition to your workshop.